The skin they borrowed without asking. The secret of the Chester Prison experiments. In the quiet corridors of Chester County Prison, Pennsylvania, a silent deal was unfolding. It wasn't printed in newspapers, it wasn't taught in schools, but for over 2 decades, prisoners were turned into test subjects not by force, but by desperation. It began in the 1950s. Inmates, mostly black men, were offered a few dollars, a little extra food, or better treatment in exchange for participating in what they were told were safe medical trials. But the truth was far more disturbing. Pharmaceutical companies and dermatologists saw them as perfect specimens, controlled, forgotten, and voiceless. So they tested creams, powders, and chemical agents on their skin. Then they went further. They deliberately burned them with caustic chemicals to see how the skin would react and heal. Some had their backs sectioned off into grids, dozens of squares, labeled for testing. Each square would blister, peel, or scar, but they kept signing up. Not because they trusted science, but because hunger speaks louder than ethics. One of the lead researchers called it a model environment. No public outrage, no lawyers, no risk. Just human flesh, bought cheap, for data. They were never told the long-term risks, never warned about cancer, nerve damage, or permanent scarring, because no one planned to follow up, no one planned to remember. Today, those studies helped create the products we use every day, and yet, the names of the men who suffered never made it onto a single label. What do we do with the knowledge built on harm? What do we owe the people whose pain made our comfort possible? And more importantly, if history keeps repeating in silence, how will we ever know when it starts again?